Good evening. I'm going to show you how to tune a ukulele. Now I have my ukulele right here that I'm going to be tuning, and in order to do that you're going to need a ukulele tuner. Now with technology you can actually download an app that you can use to tune your ukulele. You don't necessarily have to get an actual tuner to tune your ukulele. And so what I used is I downloaded an app called Ukulele Tuner, which you can see right here that I'm going to be using. Now, the benefits with using a ukulele tuner, this particular app for tuning my ukulele, is that it is relatively simple. It says C tuning for standard ukulele right here. And right here, it has an auto feature where it can automatically detect if it's a C, G, E, or A that you are trying to tune. Okay, so right here it shows you. And for the sake of the video, I'm actually going to turn my ukulele around because this has 1 through 4 going this way, and I want it to be, so there's no confusion, I'm actually going to turn my ukulele around this way so it matches up to chords 1, 2, and 3, strings 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so now that I have that, I can actually get in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing a little bit better. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to strum one of the strings, and I'm going to start with the one all the way right here, number 1, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And it is G. Now, it is the G string. It's the G that I'm supposed to be getting, and it is indicating right here that it is all the way over here. Now this indicates that it's too low, and if it's all the way to the right, it indicates that it's too high. Now I'm trying to hit it into the sweet spot, which is the middle one right here. So it lines up with 0, and so when I hit it in the sweet spot, it is in tune with G. So I'm going to go ahead and try this again. And it's low, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to tighten this up. So I'm going to tighten it a little bit. And see, I tightened it, and I hit the money right on it. It's a little bit high, do a little bit, and it's right on the money right there, right in the center. You see that? So G is in tune. Next, I'm going to switch to, I'm going to go to the second string, and it's supposed to be a C. And so I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go like that. See, it's a little bit low. So I'm going to have to tighten up the string. Actually, that was too high. So bring it back down. Almost there. All right, so that's the sweet spot right there. And that the C is in tune. Next, I'm going to go to E, which is the third string. And I'm going to go. It's low, so I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. Tighten the string up. Let's try it now. Too high. Let me go ahead and bring it back down. Still too high. Ah, it's almost there. Do it. There we go. There we go. So the E is in place. Hit the sweet spot, and now I'm going to go to the fourth string and make sure that's an A. So I'm going to go right here, and it's too low. Tighten it up a little bit. Now if it's too low, you're going to have to tighten it. If it's too high, you're going to have to loosen the string. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And it is in the sweet spot right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and play all of them to let you know that all of them are in tune. So I'm going to go with the first string, and it's supposed to be a C, or a G, excuse me. The first string is supposed to be a G. It's a little high. All right, there we go. So it's a G. Next, we're going to go to C, the sweet spot, that's in tune. E, sweet spot. All right, and now the fourth string in A. Oh, arm was on the string. And the A is in tune. So I just tuned my ukulele. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you get your Ukulele in tune. I typically tune my ukulele every time before I play it, just so I'm hitting the right tones and everything like that. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good evening.